Hello.
Hello. This is the speaking test of the National Examination in English, recorded on October 3rd. Student's code number is 058072. My name is Ari Johansson. I'm your interviewer today, and this is Mrs. Brown, your assessor. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine as well, thank you. Let's talk about cinemas. How often do you go to the cinema?
Usually about once a month.
Why?
There aren't that many good movies right now. But when the Oscar season starts, it's about once a week even maybe.
Okay. What are the advantages of cinemas as compared to television?
You can actually concentrate on the movie and not on the person sitting next to you who is trying to have a conversation. It's easier to watch the movie and it's more immersive.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Let's go on to task 1. In this task, I would like you to compare and contrast 2 pictures. You should speak for 2 minutes. Before you talk, you have 1 minute to think about what you're going to say. You cannot make any notes. Please pick a card. What is the number of your card?
A9.
Okay. Here are 2 photographs, and now you have 1 minute to think about the pictures. All right. Remember, you have 2 minutes for this, so do not worry if I stop you. I will tell you when the time is up. Please start speaking now.
Okay. There are 2 pictures. In both pictures, there are people dancing. In the left picture, there are ballet dancers. There are at least 3 ballet dancers being lifted by their partners, and there are also some dancers in the background. In the right picture, I think this is a street dance, and one guy is suspended in the air. He is in the middle of a backflip, and he's just been flipped by his partner. In the ballet picture, the action is taking place in a theater. It's dark in the background, but the dancers are well lit. In the right picture, with the street dance, the dancers are outside in a public square, it looks like, and there are also some spectators also visible in the picture, and some passers-by. There is one guy talking on the phone. The ballet, it's quite modern. It's quite classic, but the street dance is quite modern. But I don't think that opera and ballet will disappear, because even today people still go to the ballet. It's certainly less than in the past, at least in Estonia, I think.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Now I would like you to answer some questions.
Okay.
What was the last cultural event you took part in?
The last cultural event I took part in was a music festival in Latvia called Positivus.
Can you explain?
It's an independent rock music festival with artists coming from all over the world, from America, from the UK, the rest of Europe. There were also some Estonian artists and some from Latvia.
Do you prefer traditional or modern art?
I prefer traditional art because, in my opinion, modern art is too abstract and I don't understand it.
Okay. Will online performances replace live ones?
I don't think the online performances will replace live ones, but they will, I think, complement live performances in that people can buy tickets to watch them live, and simultaneously people at home can also see them. So, no, I don't think they will replace each other.
Mm-hmm. What would you like to know about the events in the pictures?
I would like to know about the picture on the right. Where is the theater? In which country? And I would like to know the same thing about the street dance. Which country is it? It looks like a southern country, but I'd like to know exactly where it is.
Thank you. Let's go on to task 2. Now I would like you to speak on a topic for 2 minutes. Before you talk, you have 2 minutes to think about what you're going to say. You can make some notes if you wish. There's a card, the task on it, and there's pen, and there's some paper. Now you have 2 minutes. All right. Remember, you have 2 minutes for this, so do not worry if I stop you. I will tell you when the time is up. Please start speaking now.
Okay. Some people say that smartphones should never have been invented. I think they say it because first of all, I don't think they have smartphones. Or maybe if they do, they think they use them too much, or they think that other people use them too much. And I think they think that it separates people from each other. When they could be in the same room talking to each other, they are instead using their smartphones. I disagree. I think people who use their smartphones when there are other people in the room, they are just rude. And smartphones actually are quite useful. They make everyday tasks more convenient. You can make bank payments. You can go to the internet, look up information. And overall, I think that people should moderate their smartphone use, but I think they are still a very useful invention, and therefore I think that I'm glad that they have been invented. That's it.
Thank you. Now I would like you to answer some questions. Have you ever shopped online?
Yes, I have. I have bought games, video games. I have bought clothes and some puzzles.
Okay. Do you think that young people are addicted to technology?
I think that they use too much of it, and that they would benefit from a week in the forest without any technology.
Okay. How does the older generation in Estonia cope with the development of technology?
I think they cope very well, but it differs from person to person, but usually the older generation has also started to use the internet, online payments, even online voting, and they are coping very well.
Okay. Do you think the internet has made people smarter?
I think that in a way it has made people smarter. It enables them to look up facts instantly, so they seem smarter, definitely. but they are also less able to remember information because they think that they can look up everything. So they are less inclined to remember.
Mm-hmm. Thank you. This is the end of the interview. Your scores will be announced in 15 minutes, but before you leave, could you be so kind and sign next to your name?